Yeah, it's about 2-3 pounds, ain't it?
Look at
Wow. Flip it over. Let's see what we got on the underneath side.
There's their paths going in and out.
Oh, wow.
That's badass down in there.
Oh, there's a bee right there, by the way. There's one left in there.
See what
There's
he's doing?
two
He's
left
trying to
in
get
there.
in there and fucking release all them things.
This thing is heavy.
Yeah.
Pretty surprising how heavy it is.
Oh, there's one in there. Get him. Get him. Step on him. Before he comes back alive. Okay. Goodbye, little freaking bees. Bye-bye. There's a lot of them, huh? That thing was heavy, huh? A lot of those eggs. Oh, here, let's get close and watch. Come on. Look at they're like still alive.
You're not on you. I'm going to get you.
I thought it was on me.
Look at all the juice.
Ooh, it's juicy.
Oh,
Ooh,
man.
it's actually red.
Look, oh, it's sliding your
It's
tire.
sliding your tire.
Your tire's sliding, dude. Yeah, it's not even turning.
Your tire's not even turning. It's just
Now it just
No,
started
it's just
turning. Oh my God! Step out and look at the juicy, green, yeah, purplish.
Yeah, it's crazy.
You
Are you
got-
gonna puke?
Yeah, I could have ate it. I could have ate that son of a bitch, but damn.
Go on and get some. Take a look. Here, take a look at the goop. Are you really choking out? Yeah.
That's pretty nasty.
He's actually like puking and stuff.
You better get the shovel. Your wife's gonna kill you.
No, you'll be here tomorrow.
It'll be here tomorrow.
See, it's called job security.
Man,
Oh, look
that's
at
a juice, dude.
Look at
I'm telling you, I'm gonna roll. Come on, pull a little further. I'm not stepping over into that.
Ew, it sounds.
See you tomorrow, brother.
All right, we'll see you guys. See ya. That was crazy. Wow.